Hello friends, today we will review the Home Depot Company. The Home Depot Incorporated is the world's largest retail seller of home improvement goods in 2022. The company offers a wide range of building materials, home improvement products, garden supplies, decor items, maintenance, and repair products. At the end of the fiscal year, the company had 2,322 stores located in all states of the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Additionally, they have a network of distribution centers and delivery, as well as several e-commerce websites in the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Let's move on to the company's financial indicators. It can be seen that the company's revenues are constantly growing, as is its net profit. It can be noted that the company's assets barely exceed its debts, which have both positive and negative consequences, which I will discuss later. My final rating of this company is 8 out of 10. The company is the largest seller in its sector and has established its brand in the home improvement industry over the years of its existence. The company faces competition in this sector, but it has its advantages based on assortment, quality, and service. The company chose the right business development strategy, concentrating most of its centers in states where the housing market is growing rapidly, instead of investing in expanding its network in states where the company's services would not be used as often. It began to develop in the markets of Mexico and Canada where its services are in demand. The company has the potential for growth not only in other international markets but also in existing markets through investments in e-commerce. I like that the company offers a wide range of services to its customers, which makes them return to Home Depot because the company provides special loyalty bonuses, credits, equipment rental opportunities for transporting their products, and much more. All this makes the company an important partner for professionals and investors in residential buildings. Today, the company's stock can be purchased for approximately $340, and its market capitalization is around $340 billion. In my opinion, the company is overvalued. I estimate its fair value at around $250 per share or a market capitalization of $250 to $260 billion. The reason for this is because past data shows that when interest rates were around 0%, the company's revenues rose sharply to meet demand. The company borrowed additional funds, which in my opinion was the right decision to take advantage of the opportunity. Now, after a couple of years when the interest rate is high, it can be seen that the company's revenues are decreasing steadily because the business directly depends on the real estate investment factor, and when debt is expensive, fewer people want to invest. I believe that the interest rate will be reduced in the near future, but this will be done gradually to check the inflation data. What could happen is that the Fed will gradually cut rates, and if inflation turns out to be uncontrollable, it will leave the rate, or in the worst case, raise it, so this is unlikely to help the company maintain those additional profits. The fact is that now people barely have enough money to live, and although the rich always have money and they only wait for the opportunity to take out a cheap loan and invest this money in real estate, all this leads to the fact that housing will need to be either sold or rented out. Considering that people have almost no free money, I expect competition in the form of a decrease in rent, and therefore expected profits from investments in this area, which will lead to a decrease in company profits. That's why I will wait for the company's price to be around $300 per share, so it will still be expensive, and I am ready to overpay for this great company, although I expect the share price to drop to around $250 to $270, but for now, I have other great companies at great prices that I want to buy, so I'll wait for attractive prices on Home Depot and will bring my position to approximately 2% of my portfolio. Subscribe to my channel to not miss out on other great companies.